Packing right. The optional bag for your SAT and ACT. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll dive deep into the topic of preparing for your SAT and ACT exams. More specifically, we're focusing on optional items to bring, and one of those is a small bag or backpack. Let's explore the pros and cons of packing this item and how to do it right. When you're heading out for a big exam day, organization is key. Having a small bag or backpack can help you stay organized, ensuring that you have everything you need within arm's reach. Here are a few reasons why you might consider bringing one. Organization. Keep your stationery, snacks, water, and other essentials in one place. Comfort. A bag can help distribute the weight of your items evenly on your shoulders. Ease. Instead of holding multiple items in your hands, have them safely stored in a bag. The key is not to overpack but to include just the essentials. Here are some suggestions. Stationery, extra pencils, erasers, and a sharpener. ID and admission ticket. Don't want to hold these all the time? Keep them safe in a pocket. Snacks and water. Especially for long exams, a small snack and a bottle of water can be lifesavers. Watch. If you want to keep track of time without relying on the room's clock. Remember, don't include any items that are prohibited by the test centers, like phones or calculators, unless allowed. Equally important is knowing what to leave out. Electronics. Unless specifically allowed, items like phones, smartwatches, or other electronic devices are usually prohibited. Notes or study materials. It's essential to leave these at home to avoid any misunderstandings or accusations of cheating. Loud or distracting items. Remember, it's a quiet environment. Avoid packing items that can disturb others. Packing the right items in a small bag or backpack can make your SAT or ACT exam experience smoother and more stress-free. We hope this video provides clarity on what to bring and what to leave behind. Best of luck on your test day, and remember, preparation is the key to success.